Now, in its 75 years of independent history, Pakistan has muddled through many crises. But for the people of the country and its changing leadership, the crises are just not ending. The current government, led by Shehbaz Sharif, is trying to leave no stone unturned to tackle the current economic crisis, or so it seems. It has even risked popular anger with its bold move of raising fuel prices. And with this move, the government hopes to dodge sovereign default and salvage the International Monetary Fund deal. Pakistan's finance minister says the deal with the IMF will be finalized this week, but an IMF assistance is not all what Shehbaz Sharif is relying on. He is turning to Pakistan's brotherly nations to seek help, as the country is in dire need of external finances. Shehbaz Sharif is now heading to Turkey. During the three-day visit, Sharif is likely to focus on enhancing cooperation on trade and investment. The Pakistani-Turkish Business Council will be holding meetings with Turkish investors and businessmen. Earlier this month, Shehbaz Sharif had also proposed turning the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor into a trilateral agreement between China, Pakistan and Turkey. Earlier this month, Shehbaz Sharif also visited Saudi Arabia and the UAE as he sought to strengthen bilateral ties with the oil-rich countries. But Pakistan's allies seem to be treading cautiously. Shehbaz Sharif government's finance minister saying Saudi Arabia and the UAE are ready to provide money, but they have set a condition. Both Saudi Arabia and the UAE saying that Pakistan needs to go to the IMF first. Saudi Arabia is finalizing the extension of a $3 billion deposit to Pakistan, even as all-weather friend China is yet to follow through with a pledge to reissue loans to Pakistan repaid in late March. And that's a pivot from the past. In 2018, when Pakistan faced a similar economic crisis, it secured backing from China, Saudi Arabia and the UAE. But Shehbaz Sharif is not ready to give up, especially not on its iron brother China. Earlier today, he met representatives of the Chinese companies investing in Pakistan. The Premier said that Pakistan and China's unwavering friendship has weathered storms and strengthened over time. He, however, added that Pakistan does not want handouts, but investments from its Chinese friends. In a desperate appeal for help, Shehbaz Sharif said that Pakistan looks forward to seeking support from China in every walk of life. Pakistan's external debt is at 42% of its GDP. The government's debt is at 68% of the GDP. The country is in dire need of external finances. It is hurt by high inflation. The reserves are declining to as low as less than 2 months of imports. And its currency is weakening fast. Uncertainty over the revival of an IMF program has also compounded volatility in the economy and the markets, and that too amid a political crisis with Imran Khan hell-bent to dislodge the government. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.